This video I will explain Google Pay versus cash. Now we are going to compare two ways of paying money, Google Pay and cash. Both are commonly used, but they work very differently. First we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a digital payment app used on mobile phone. Using that you can send and receive money, you can pay by scanning QR codes, you can pay directly from your bank account using UPI. You do not need to carry physical money when using Google Pay. What is cash? Cash means paper currency notes and coins. You give money by hand to another person. No phone, internet, or app is required. First comparison is ease of use. In case of Google Pay, just scan a QR code or enter a name. Payment happens in seconds. No need to count your money. In case of cash, it is simple to understand. You must carry exact change. Counting notes takes time. Which is better? For speed and convenience, Google Pay is better. Second comparison is safety. Google Pay is protected by UPI PIN, app lock, and phone security. Payment history is recorded. In case of cash, it can be lost or stolen. No way to track if lost. No proof of payment. Which is better? For safety, Google Pay is better. Third comparison is payment record. In case of Google Pay, every payment is saved. You can check history anytime. Useful for tracking expenses. In case of cash, no automatic record. Easy to forget where money was spent. Which is better? For keeping records, Google Pay is better. Fourth comparison is acceptance everywhere. In case of Google Pay, accepted at most shops, need phone, battery and internet. In case of cash, accepted everywhere, works without electricity or internet. Which is better? For universal use, cash is better. Fifth comparison is speed of payment. Google Pay is very fast and the payment completes in seconds. Cash is slower due to counting and change. Which is better? For quick payments, Google Pay is better. Sixth comparison is privacy. In case of Google Pay, payments are recorded digitally. Bank and app can see the transaction details. In case of cash, it is completely private, no digital record. Which is better? For privacy, cash is better. Seventh comparison is daily small payments. Google Pay is very convenient for shops, tea stalls, and autos. No need to carry coins. Cash is useful for very small amounts. Helpful when digital payment is not available. Which is better? For most daily payments, Google Pay is better. The conclusion is use Google Pay for daily shopping, quick payments, and better safety. Use cash as a backup, especially when there is no internet or phone battery. Summary is Google Pay is better for most daily payments because it is fast, safe, and trackable, while cash is useful as a backup when digital payment is not possible. Here you can see the simple comparison table of Google Pay versus cash, whatever we have discussed.